这个说的故事不一样啊。一个政府说是一个 fuel tank 化学品 explode 大爆炸，浓烟滚滚啊，冲向天空啊。但是伊朗国家一个公司说，这个爆炸呢不是跟炼油厂和这个燃料箱罐和这个管道有关系啊。Massive explosion at an Iranian port, killing 28 and injured 800.
Explosion.
爆炸
At the port of Bandar Abbas in southern Iran, the explosion sent a huge plume of thick gray smoke into the sky. The Iranian government said the blast was likely to be linked to chemicals being stored.
A huge plume of
一股巨大的
blast.
爆炸
Chemicals.
化学物质
The Interior Minister of India said 6 people remain missing as firefighters continue to work to extinguish the blaze. Despite challenges posed by high winds, no cause has been given for the explosion. Government spokeswoman Fatima said it would take some time to establish the cause. The Iran's National Iranian Oil Refining and Distribution Company said that the explosion at the port was not related to the refineries, fuel tanks, or oil pipelines associated with the company in that area. This came after Iranian official media reported that the blast occurred after a fuel tanker at the port exploded for unknown reason.
点击加关注学英语不迷路。